Welcome to ARjun Kingdom. Today I will be making a color wheel.
Materials we require to do this activity is a pencil and eraser and a sharpener to sharpen your pencils, color pencils, crayons and watercolors, a palette and a paintbrush if you want to use them. I would recommend using that one because that's the only one who can make tertiary colors. A thread of wool, you can use any color, a pair of scissors, some glue, a piece of cardboard cut in a circle and the art sheet. So now we have to clean the table so we have more space to work with. So let's get started. So first we're gonna have to make 2 circles for this activity. So use your cardboard to make perfect circles.
So once you're done making your circles, now it's time to cut them out. So I cut 2 pieces of paper and now I'm gonna make 12 equal pieces. If you want to make 12 equal pieces, you can use your scale, pencil and eraser. You can just fold them like how I'm gonna do right now. So I'm done making the 12 equal pieces. So if you want to make it, you have to fold it and then use the pencil as the marks. But if you're a true artist, you can just guess or use the scale. And if you need help to do it, ask other people for help. So let's start coloring with my primary and secondary colors. First of all, you should know what primary colors are. Primary colors are colors that cannot be made by mixing other colors. These colors are red, blue, and yellow. Secondary colors are colors that can be made by mixing primary colors. For example, red plus blue makes purple. Blue plus yellow makes green. Red plus yellow makes orange. Tertiary colors are colors that are made by mixing primary colors and secondary colors. For example, red plus green makes a reddish green. And orange plus yellow, that makes a orangish yellow. Then purple and blue make a bluish purple. And yellow and green makes a yellowish green. And then yellow and violet make a yellowish violet. And these colors actually have names. Teal is like a light blue like this one, and lime is like a light green like this one. As you can see, I am done painting and I made some other wheels in my own free time. This wheel is for primary colors. As you can see, there's red, yellow and blue. And these are for primary and secondary colors. The colors on this wheel is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. What I used to make this is color pencils. And these two are meant for primary, secondary and tertiary colors. The colors on this wheel are yellow, orange, red, orange, red, violet, blue, blue, green, yellow wheel. And now we have to stick them onto this wheel. So I'm done pasting my color wheels onto the cardboard. As you can see, this is how they look. Now we have to make 2 dots. Make 1 dot on one color you like and then do it on the opposite side. And now these 2 dots indicate where we're going to make 2 holes. I'm done making the holes. Now we have to take the wool from earlier and now we have to put them inside this hole. I will pick white. So now that I made these 2 holes, we have to put the wool that we had earlier and put them inside the hole. And I will go for double the size of my ruler. It's time to cut it. So now I will put my thread in here. Done tying this loop, you have to now do it like this, and then you can spin it around and the toy should work. This one looks great.
That one was great. But now let's see how this one looks. I am excited for this one.
Now let's see. So these are the toys that I just made.
If you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell so you never miss a video. Comment down below and share this video with a friend. Hope everyone enjoyed, and for now, goodbye.